It's raining, it's pouring. So Bailey needs to do his business, and it's raining, and it's tiring to dry him up, so I put a raincoat on. So at least if some part of his body will get wet, at least it's not the whole body. Bailey, you're not going to the lake. No, you're not going swimming. Come here. You need to go do your business. Come on. This way, baby. Come on. Come here. We need to do your business. Yeah. I don't know about you. Come here, Bailey. Come on. Yeah. We're not going swimming. We're pooping. Yeah, we're pooping. We're doing number 2. Come on, let's do number 2. Number 2. Yeah, number 2. What are you doing? Come on. Bailey, come on, come on. Why are you circling around? I'm dizzy. Come on. This dog loves water, any type of water. It's either anything that, no. It's either river, ocean, pool, rain, whatever, as long as he'll get wet. He loves it. Well, I think it's because he's a golden retriever. Yeah, sometimes, no matter what the weather, he always likes to go out. Sometimes it's me who does not like the rain. Bailey, are you liking your raincoat? So that raincoat is, we get that online. We get that from Amazon. That's not really the one that I really like, but it works. It works. They have a lot of design. Yeah, you can find some that's like it's got a long pants, so that's what I like. But this one is nice too. Come on, let's do number 2. Look at him, he's out of focus. He loves rain. Like Bailey, you like rain, huh? You like rain? Huh? Your head is already wet. It's okay. Your head gets dry quick, but your body is... You get a thick hair, so it's hard to dry him. A shout out to all Bailey's friend. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting us. Thank you so much for loving Bailey. Where are you going? You need to do your number 2. Come on. Look at a happy face. Bailey, where's your tail? Yeah, that's your tail. Oh my golly. Bailey, stand. Yeah, that's your tail. Come on. Come on, I know that's your tail now. Come on. Yay. Come on, do your business now. Come on, go poop. Go poop. Hey, Bailey, tell them thank you for your love and support. Guys, thank you for your love and support. Yeah, Bailey's channel is slowly growing. Mommy is busy, so Mommy cannot really focus on his YouTube. But we're trying. Yeah, Bailey, we're trying. Are you hiding in my umbrella too? Oh, he's drinking. Bailey! He's trying to drink from the drippings from my umbrella. You're such a silly dog. You're such a silly dog. Yeah, you have muta. Gimuta ka dong. Uy, tapuhin na yung muta. Di gid ka makakuhag chicks, anak. Kay gimuta man ka. Why? Yeah, go poop. Come on. Go poop. Come on. Stilan na lang ni Madong. Ano This is called love. Love, love, love is... Ansa na ko na? Ansa ko na itong lyrics? Has come my way and everything is gonna be okay because love has come my way. Bailey, come on. Go poop. You're already playing. You're not pooping. Huh? Oh, I did not zip the underneath. I just snap it. Now it's open because he moves a lot. Bailey, come here, boy. Let's fix your raincoat. Go. What? Come on, go. Ow. Go poop. That's the word of the day. Go poop. Excuse me, folks. Pardon our language here. Yeah, that's your tail. Yeah, good boy, Bailey. Can you stand now? Hey, that's enough. I already know where's your tail. Bailey. Go poop. Come on. Work on it. Starts to feel it. Yeah. Come on, go. 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 Go poop. I don't think this dog have planned to poop. What's your plan? Are you just gonna keep running? Huh? Are you just gonna keep running? Go poop. Gimuta gihapon ka na. Gihapon imong muta. Come on, go poop. Ako gikapoy ni mo dong. Go poop, Bailey. Come on, we're not kidding here. Go poop, baby. Come on, you're a good boy, right? Bailey is a good boy, right? Bailey, if you're a good boy, you will poop. Yeah, stop showing me your tail. That's what he will do. Every time he's not in the mood to poop, he will trick you with showing his tail. Bailey. Bailey. Stand. Bailey, can you go poop now? So we can go inside? Huh? Bailey. Billy. Bailey, go poop. Come on, you go poop now. Yeah, Bailey's a good boy. Oh, Bailey's a dog, not a cow. Oh, Bailey's not a cow. But Bailey's eating grass. Bailey's eating grass. Why Bailey's eating grass? Oh, wow. Good cow. Bailey is a good cow. Yeah. A good cow. Oh, come on, cow. Go poop, cow. Go, cow. Come on, Bailey. Bailey. Go poop. Come on. Come on. Go poop. Go poop na. Come on. Success. He already dropped a bomb. Good boy, Bailey. Yay. Good job. Yeah, Bailey is really a good boy. Yeah, okay, let me pick it up. I got it. Yeah, I got it. He got all his energy back after he dropped his bomb. A big bomb, Bailey. It was a big bomb. Oh my God, look at him. You're not going to that lake, huh? Bailey! Come on! Come on, boy! He just flopped. Bailey, come on! Say thank you for watching. Come on! Bailey! He's just sitting there. Bailey! Come on! Let's go inside the house now, boy. You wanna go inside? I don't think so. Come on. Come on. It's hard. I'm holding umbrella. I'm holding his. Come on. Yeah. Good boy. Say, Bailey, say thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Leave in the comment below if your dog loves water too. Whatever you can say. Leave it in the comment below. Thank you so much, guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Oh, Bailey, where's the squirrel? He's looking for the squirrel. Don't step on my flowers. Bye guys, thank you for watching. See you again on our next one. Bye bye. Bailey, say bye. Say bye. Bye. Nagkiat lang gid agi ani niya oy. Bye guys. Bye bye. So this is how Bailey looks like after being in the rain. So this is the part where he had his raincoat. It's perfectly dry. It's damp in his butt and in his head because the what do you call it, the hood is loose in his head, so it will just flip over. That's why his head is wet. But at least I don't have to dry his whole body because it really takes time to dry this dog. So yeah, it's better to have a raincoat, right Bailey? Better to have a raincoat, huh? Okay, bye again. Bye guys.